Hello guys, today I want to clone one of the machine on my VMware Workstation, which I'll be using it to do some tutorial for another project. And before you clone a machine, the virtual workstation has to be powered. That machine has to be powered off. So this machine you see here, this is running here, and I will have to power it off first before I can clone it. So I'll shut this down. So let's allow this machine to shut down, and then we shall go ahead and clone it. Now you can see it's shut down. These are the statistics here. You have the memory of 4 GB RAM, 2 processor, 7 GB of hard disk space. But let's clone it. You go to VM virtual machine here, and then you come to manage. From manage you come to clone. Okay, now clone from what? The current state in the virtual machine. Create a link clone from the current state will create a new snapshot. So I'm going to go with the default option. Now do we want to create a virtual machine that is linked to the main machine, or want to create a full clone? I want a full clone. Now clone virtual machine name, so I have to give a name. I'll keep it like that, then I'll modify the name after, but I want to clone it to a specific location. So let me see if I will wanna go to my machines here. Okay, you see I created a folder there. I want to clone it into this folder here. So I've navigated to that folder on my local host, and I selected it. So you're gonna clone it to that location. I say finish, and now you can see that you're gonna clone the machine to that location. And if you come down here, you got some information that is telling you the default configuration file location of the first machine, Okay, let's allow it to clone, and maybe I pause it and come back. Okay, it's done. So the cloning is done. As you can see here, everything, a full machine has been created, and we can see here. So I close this. If you come here, this is the machine. This is where it has been created. You can see that's the name, clone of Red Hat machine. Okay, and you can see it has the same statistics. I want to change the memory to 6. I want to increase the memory. That's 8, but I want to bring it down to 6 GB. Let me see, almost 6. Yeah, so it's not bad. So this machine, I'm going to use it to do some stuff. So I want to add some more disks. I want to add some more disks, and the disks is to, I want to install Oracle 19c on this Red Hat machine, and I will be doing that on ASM storage. So that's why I want to add some more storage. So I'm going to create 2 disks here. You say next. I'm going to go stick with the recommended. create a new virtual disk. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do because I don't have an existing one. Use a physical disk. So I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to allow 20 gig. Allocate all disk space. So allocate all this space. Now allocate the full capacity that can enhance the performance but require all of the physical disk space to be available right now. I don't think that's the best option, but also um, store the virtual disk as a single file. So you have this option and you have split virtual disk into multiple files. So let's come back to this. So I will leave it split it, and then I'll go with the default. Now it's asking this file. Okay, this is about the name of the disk file. Okay, so if you can change this name can be changed. The location also you can direct the location to where you want it to go. Okay, let me see. I want it to be in the same location like the main machine. So I come here, yeah, it's creating it here. I can create another folder here where I want those disks to be. Let me just create the VM disks. Let me create it. I open it there, and I can name this one. I can call this data disks. Data disks. Okay, save there, and click on finish. The disk is added. Go ahead and add another one. Go recommended. Yeah, create a new one. I'll keep the same space, and browse as VM disks, which means that's a folder where they are found. Then I'm going to call this OCR disks. Okay, and save finish, and now I can click OK, and then let me see, I can rename this machine. I'll call it, I wanna create an ASM Oracle installation on ASM. So I'll just say Oracle database -ASM. Just want to make the name to resemble something. Okay, now let's power this machine. So you see, we change the name. We added the memory. We created two disks that will serve, one for data, one for ASM. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to start installing the prerequisite packages that will prepare the machine for installation. Hello friends, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you now.